I am the good shepherd. This is why we celebrate communion this afternoon. I am the good shepherd. And what does the good shepherd do? The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. And that is what our good shepherd has done. Jesus laid down his life for us, the sheep. And that's why we celebrate communion this afternoon. He laid down his life. So when we take the bread, that represents his body. He laid down his life. His body become a sacrifice for me and for you. And then the blood, the fruit juice, is the blood of a new covenant, which he gave to us. The new covenant, which we celebrate in Jesus. So he laid down his life for each one of us so that we can become new. We are new. We put on the new person. First we put off, and now we put on, because the shepherd have paid the price. The shepherd have paid the price. So you can go ahead and just take your bread and break the bread. And as you break the bread, my prayer is that your eyes will be enlightened, that you will see who you've become, a new creation. Put on the new. The good shepherd paid the price already. He went before you. Listen to him because you know him. The word says we know him and we can hear him. We know him. And then when you take the fruit juice, that's the sign of a new covenant. And we thank God that he provides a good shepherd. There's no hireling that doesn't care. The shepherd takes care of each one of us.